So Iron Mountain is a global organisation headquartered in Boston. The business was founded in 1951, so we've recently celebrated 70 years worth of history. The core of the business is record and information management, so we're storing valuable assets for clients in warehouses. We have warehouses across 60 countries across the world and roughly operate around 85 million square foot. In more recent years, the business have invested in warehousing, and what's been really important is when we've gone out and selected the developers that we've worked with and the facilities, we've been very focused on taking assets that are sustainable. We recognise that that's really important for our customers, and it's a really strong key theme across Iron Mountain as a group. Some of those sites have things such as PV solar on the roof, so we can actually try and generate some cost savings and reduce the carbon, rainwater harvesting, EV charging. And then one of the other key things that we've been really focused on is making sure that the environment within the site is very friendly. So as you can see behind me, we've invested in a green earthy wall, and a lot of our spaces are very bright and vibrant, which really reflects the culture and the people that work within Iron Mountain as a business. So Iron Mountain work with 225,000 customers across the globe, across a variety of sectors. So we work with government, we work with banking, technology, manufacturing. Specifically within our warehouse and logistics business, we predominantly work with retailers and consumer-based brands that are moving product quite quickly. And we're starting to work with more technology-based customers where we can leverage some of those core Iron Mountain solutions such as asset lifecycle management and digital into the world of warehousing.
If Iron Mountain were to stop services tomorrow, our customers will suffer. Their supply chain will be disturbed. We supply very agile and flexible solutions, which means that customers and their customers can have their products that they want when they need them.
In terms of where we excel, I think it's generally our approach as a business. So we always focus on what's the right solution for the customer and then how do we add value on top of that.
So Iron Mountain has had certification standards for many years. And when we entered the logistics industry, we wanted to make sure that we had the relevant certifications and standards for our customers, specifically in warehousing and logistics. We decided to obtain the BRC certification in storage and distribution out of our customer needs. One of the customers approached us, they had a need to store pallets, but they needed to have the BRC accreditation with all of their suppliers. We didn't have it at the time, but being the flexible and agile 3PL that we are, we didn't doubt for a second to obtain the certification, and that's what we did. So we decided to partner with BSI because have been a long-standing supplier of ours. We have a relationship that dates back to 1993, and they have helped the company to achieve many accreditations for different areas of the business. We just didn't think about going with anybody else that wasn't BSI. The plans for this year will be to extend our current ISO accreditations that we have on other sides of the business into our logistics business. We have 12 warehouses this year, and by the end of this year, our objective is to have the ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and the ISO 14001 established, and all our sites accredited with that to service our customers.